Hey guys, Chris Red here at Johnson RV in beautiful Sandy, Oregon, home of the #1 premium pre-owned dealership in America. Today we are going to talk about a pre-owned unit here, the Itasca Suncruiser 37F floor plan. This is a bath and a half, beautiful RV, and I'll show you when we get inside, but I'm going to point out some features on the outside. This is a beautiful full body paint coach. It does have power heated mirrors. It does have side view cameras, backup camera, and it is on the bigger chassis, so you will feel a little bit better heading down the road. If you walk around, I've kind of opened up some outdoor storage units here. So if you look here, it does have pass-through storage here, and it is a Class A gas, but you can see it's right on the top. So if you have any fishing poles, skis, anything long, you can put it across there. But they nice storage units here. They're all lined. A nice 3 steps to go down, and a nice solid screen door you can close off here. And you do have a outdoor entertainment area, and your awning will cover that as well. It does have slide toppers over the slide, so for debris, things like that, pine cones, and so you won't have to get up on the roof. But this is where your propane fill is. You do have a 5,500 watt Onan gas generator. Close this down here, walk around to the back. It does have a backup. It does have a ladder on the back, so you can climb up on the roof, but you know, it's there if you need it. You have a backup camera. It does have a towing hitch here on the back. When you step around to the driver's side, again, full body paint, you have some more storage here. Okay, when I start opening up some of these bins here, a nice little storage compartment. Okay, everything's in great shape on this RV. This is your dump station, so very easy to get to. You don't have to really crawl too far under the slide, but if the slide we're in, it'd be a lot easier to do as well. And you do have an outdoor shower here. Then you have your batteries are located here, and you do have some more storage up top. And then these are the other sides of that pass-through storage, so you have some more storage here. Those look like covers, so the previous owner probably got a lot of the options here, and they come with the RV, so those are in there. When you walk around here, it does have a driver door, which is unique. Not too many RVs have a driver door, so if you get out at the fuel station, you can get out. So it gives you two units of access here. Let's walk around and take a look inside. Hey guys, Chris Red here. We are inside this 2015 Itasca Suncruiser here. Right now I want to show you the dash area. This is your view that you would get when you are traveling. And it does have, when you get to your location, it does have electronic leveling jack, so you just touch the button and easy, voila, you are level. You have some nice storage above the cab here, and this is where you're going to find where you can run your DVD player and select your TV that you like. So this is it's a triple slide, so it feels very spacious inside the cab area here. Table and chairs. Now it's nice if you're eating and you want to look at the lake on this side, but if you want to sit on the sofa and watch television, you just literally press a button and your television will come up, okay, which is nice. That's a nice feature. And then here, storage all the way across. Now the great thing about Winnebago, if you do run down the road and something kind of rattles and you might need a new cupboard door or something like that, you'll notice that every RV door here has a sticker on it for that part number. So that's the nice thing about Winnebagos. You can always get a part. They've been building 70% in-house forever, and they do a fantastic job. So if you do need it, you can get it. Now when you look over here, a nice sofa, and it does recline here, and then that pulls out for a little leg rest. So it is nice if you want to get comfortable and watch some television, and then you do have like a Euro-style recliner. The kitchen area, very large. You have a lot of counter space. You have a double sink. Okay, nice heavy duty Corian tops here, and then this is a 3-burner stove, and I just pulled that off so you can kind of see how heavy it is. Then you do have a convection microwave. Doesn't look like it's ever been used. Again, we are a premium pre-owned dealership. So then you have a little bread drawer, nice counter space, residential style fridge, counter space below. This is a bath and a half RV, so your control center is located here. All your slide controls, all your generator. This is a little half bath here, porcelain toilet, counter space, so it's actually beautiful. So if you have guests over, they can just use that, and then you can close off your bedroom. But it does have built-in washer and dryer. And then these are your leaflets and your extra chairs located here for your table if you do have guests over. Nice big closet area in the bedroom here. nice drawers, television, and then you have a large bed here that does kind of pop up so you can, you know, prop yourself up when you're watching, watching television. It does have this beautiful door too when it comes across, so it's not just all dark. You know, you get some light transparency through the door there, which is a nice little feature that Winnebago does. When you step into the bath, now you have a nice full shower here, another toilet and sink, and storage up top. I'll open these up so you can see how much storage you're going to get. So again, my name is Chris Redd, and I work at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. Now, we are a premium pre-owned dealer. If you have any questions about this unit or maybe something that you saw on the web, please call. Just give me a call. Again, my name is Chris Redd. Again, Johnson RV, Sandy, Oregon. Thanks for watching my video.